Dang. What's going on, guys? DudeBrd here, back at it again with another video. We here at HTXShots3. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I'll drop a link right below the like button. So make sure you check out that like button and all the links. I've done Shots and Shots 1, Shots and Shots 2, and we are at Shots and Shots 3. Right now, look at all these people. It is young Buddha on the video. Hey. But yeah, I have nothing planned, so let's see what happens.
Alright, I'd like to first off thank everybody for coming out. This is Shots and Shots 3, something that I came up with. Incorporating camera shots and alcohol shots. I just wanna, like at the last meet, somebody had an issue with people not introducing themselves, so I just got all the models and the photographers up here real quick. And they're just gonna quickly introduce themselves, give out their Instagram handles, y'all can follow them if you like to.
Yeah, y'all know what it is, man.
My IG handle is royalty.
Well, I'm a model. Yeah. My name's Erica.
Someone that's Hero? Yeah. D-Hack, man. This is part 3 of Shots and Shots. Shout out to my boy Brandon, Dude, running back. Shout out to DudeBrd for recording this for me. It's his 3rd one. He's been rolling with me since day 1, man. Shout out to everybody in Houston, man. That's been showing me love also, yo. Houston photographer from Louisiana, and let's party, man.
Yeah, what's the plan?
Man, we gonna shoot, bro. Shoot shots and shots, man. Alcohol shots, camera shots. We got drones flying all over the place. We got smoke grenades, smoke bombs. Let's do it, bro.
That LA crew, what's up? Yeah, so we came here. First shoot location is Lily and Bloom. And then I have no idea what the second location is, but
bro, I thought this place was like Steak and Shrimp, and then I was looking that shit up, and it was like all the way in somewhere over there.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh shit, we got Linda. We got Linda putting in work. Hey, what's up, bro?
How are you, man?
Yeah, I'm good. You want to
Team
shout
Sony, Team Sony,
oh,
Sony,
sure.
Sony, Sony,
You want
Sony,
to shout
Sony,
sure.
Sony, Sony,
You want
Sony.
to shout yourself out, man?
Follow me at Choi Photography. That's
there you go.
Choi Photography.
Troy, hey, look. I see you working. Let me get some behind the scenes,
Yes,
you know?
yes. Beautiful
For
Linda
sure.
Fuentes.
Oh yeah,
and
for
Ramsey.
Sure. Ramsey, we can't forget about Ramsey. Oh, hey, Lit, show me that work. Show me that work.
Just let us say, all you had to do was play, but now you better see it, how I'm living. Should've had told you, forgot to mention when I was really there for you. Calling late at the foyer.
Hey, what that mouth do?
You want to introduce yourself? Let's introduce
Hi,
yourself.
my name's Linda Fuentes.
Uh-huh.
Follow me. My
Oh, yeah?
Instagram's name is Linda Fuentes.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you like the crowd?
When a bunch of photographers clump up, you kind of can't tell what camera to look at or like what angles you're getting at. So that's always hard to do when you have like probably like 10 photographers on you. Maybe like 3 or 4 is okay. Then after a while, it's like too much.
Gotcha. What about, do you feel the same?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Kind of.
So,
I kind of
okay,
like
so,
it though.
Oh, okay, so she likes it. You don't, right? So my question is, you know that the photographers just huddle up around the models.
Yeah.
Right? So what makes you come out still?
What do you mean?
Like, why are you here?
Oh, I like meeting people, and like I said, I like it when it's like a couple of photographers. Just when it gets to too much, and then you don't know who's still shooting, who isn't, and then it gets confusing a bit.
Gotcha.
But like I said, I just like to come out and meet people. I love your shirt.
Okay. No, they love you.
They were talking about your fire ass.
No, they were talking about your fit. Let's check out the peep the fit. Hey, turn around. Yo. On a mission to find Danny.
Yes.
Because Linda wants to shoot with her. With
him.
And then Ramsey hasn't shot with him. Right? And Danny's pretty good. How would you rate his
He's really
skill?
good.
Yeah, he's really good? For sure. He's the one that you go to look for. But
we're looking for the big setup that he has.
We're looking for one of those. But that's not Danny. That's not Danny. Danny! That's a man.
What's happening?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
Doing good, bro.
Yeah. Just shooting.
Just shooting?
Are you recording audio too?
Yeah. But I guess the audio is not gonna be too good, but
No.
it'll be alright.
We're out here with Brandon right now. Brandon J. Party. How y'all doing? What's going on?
So Linda was looking for you, bro. We were screaming your name.
I said hey to her. I said, I saw you. I was like, I
Feels like I'm always on the go, but I don't really wanna go. I see you walking all alone. Why are you walking all alone? Either way, I seen you on Instagram. Girl, hop into my sedan. I could be your fucking man, 'cause I'm throwing hella bands.
Oh! What the fuck is that? This is,
really
who
close.
is this?
Larnie?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And what do you do, Larnie?
I'm
Other than
modeling.
drink alcohol.
I model.
It's shots and shots.
Put it in there, y'all.
Cheers. Rob.
Rob Salinas was out here last year for the Shots and Shots 2. Brought out his students. These are his students. Alumni, current student. Yeah, how
This is alumni.
alumni, hi. And how does it feel knowing you have a famous teacher?
Pretty great. Shows me the ropes and everything, all the locations.
Yeah? And your name? Nick. How did you find me on Instagram, bro?
I don't know. I honestly don't.
No?
Probably like everybody was following you. I was like, okay, I'm gonna follow this guy. And then you got some dope videos. So
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. And your name was?
Deanna.
Deanna. Nice to meet you, Deanna.
You too.
He was telling me that you have an agency?
Yeah, I'm signed with Neil Hamill right now.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I know that agency. Nice. Well, congrats. I'm here with Donna, right?
Hi, yes, Donna.
So she was telling me that it's her first meet.
Yes, first meet. I am brand new to modeling. It's like a month or so I'm learning everything, and everybody told me that this is the event to go to meet photographers and to kind of mingle and stuff. I'm having so much fun. I've never had this kind of rush of energy.
Yeah?
Everybody's super friendly. Everybody's just so nice. I love the models. Everybody's beautiful. The creativity here is amazing.
Like,
Yes, sir.
D-Hack has taken care of me since the first time, you know?
Yeah.
As soon as he saw that first video, he was like, holy shit.
Yeah, bro. And man, and nothing but progression from there, bro. Like, you can
For sure, bro.
you turn into an animal, man. Like, I
Hey,
wish you the most blessings, man. Like, Godspeed on it, bro.
Bless you,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. I wish you nothing but success yourself, man.
Back at you,
Have a
bro.
heart sing like that. Boot up, ay, baby, dada. Boot up, baby, dada. Boot up.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Peace.
Don't Versace my cologne, my city I put on. I did it on my own, bitch. I'm more than Joe one song. Call me what you want, just don't call when I'm in my zone. Gotta put my phone on.
Already know it's your girl Andy to shoot me. I wasn't here because I was working, but now I am, and it's lit. Okay. Okay, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. Oh. Everyone who follows DudeBrd, y'all are awesome, y'all are talented, y'all are cool. Keep it up, subscribe, thumbs up. You already know. Glow up those souls.